Today we are going to be climbing up High Street, which is one of those hills up there. Right now it's covered by snow at the top, and we're going to be trying to camp up there. It is New Year's Day, 1st of January 2024, and we're going to try and hike up and camp at the very top. It's over 800 meters in elevation, so it's probably going to be very cold. This is my backpack. Let's go. So this is the tent we have made. Come over there, a stone wall. Obviously going to put them all back on there in the morning. Bed area is complete, so all good. It's already very windy and cold.
Let me give you the latest, still in my North Face coat on my favourite Nikes. Yeah, it could have been worse, I've been in the dirt and still not a stain inside. I still do up the laces tight in case man pull up and make it fly, cause it's cold outside.